Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to begin. First, confirm you have an active student identity. A school email or photo ID will do. Once verified, make sure your GitHub account is set up and two-factor authentication is enabled. This is required. Next, go straight to the GitHub Student Developer Pack, find the Copilot for Students offer, and click to start the application. This gets the process rolling. The verification step is why you needed your student credentials handy. Continue by selecting Copilot for Students and filling the application fields with accurate information. Provide your school email to auto-verify or upload a clear photo of your student ID if auto-verification fails. Explain dates and program if requested. Once submitted, you may see a pending status. Check your email and GitHub Education dashboard for confirmation. Make sure notifications aren't blocked, and be patient. Manual reviews can take. When your student status is approved, accept the Copilot offer and install the appropriate extension. For example, GitHub Copilot in VS Code or the JetBrains plugin. Sign in to GitHub inside the IDE and enable Copilot under Settings. Authorize any requested permissions. If something goes wrong, try an incognito browser to reapply, upload clearer verification documents, or contact GitHub Education support with your student proof. One key tip: clearing cached credentials often resolves sign-in glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.